Is Winstar Capital Holdings IPO a good investment? Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just back from KL yesterday. I flew to KL on the 26th of November, Tuesday, to attend Winstar Capital IPO prospectus launch held in M Resort and Hotel Kuala Lumpur. I attended both its press conference sessions and the investors Q&A session, which was held on the very same day. Winstar Capital Holdings IPO is priced at 35 cents per share and involved the issuance of 73.95 million shares, comprising of 56.55 million new shares and 17.4 million existing shares offered for sales, representing 25.5% of the company's enlarged issued share capital of 290 million shares. Upon listing, Winstar Capital is expected to achieve a market capitalization of Rm 101.5 million based on its enlarged shares capital. Applications for the public issues are now open with effect from 26 November until 3rd December 2024 at 5 p.m. Here are some of the pictures which I have taken during the event, and I have also taken pictures with the top management. So now come the million-dollar questions. Is Winstar Capital Holdings IPO a good investment? Upon attending its press conference and investors Q&A sessions, and after going through its IPO prospectus, here are some of the findings which I hope to share with everyone here. To me, Winstar Capital Holdings Berhad's IPO present both opportunities and risks, and whether is it a good investment depends on your own individual risk appetite and investment goal. Here's an overview of the key factors you may want to know and consider. In terms of strengths, Winstar is focused on its core business and market expansion. Winstar is involved in the core business of aluminium extrusion and related fabrication, which aligns with the growing demand in construction, renewable energy, and industrial sector. The IPO proceeds will be used for capacity expansion, specifically adding new extrusion line, which can enhance production efficiency and meets its future increasing demand. Second, Winstar does have support from strategic partnership. Winstar is backed by Sunview Group Berhad, which is a prominent player in the renewable energy sector. Sunview's indirect wholly owned subsidiary, Wave Systems and Berhad, owns a 30% stake in Winstar currently. Post-IPO, the stake will be reduced to 24.15%. This association strengthens Winstar's position in capturing opportunities in the green energy transition, particularly as aluminium is a key material in solar projects. Third, future sectors tailwind. According to the EMR report, aluminium demand is projected to grow at a CAGR of 5.65% per annum between the year of 2024 until 2032, supported by Malaysia's renewable energy initiative and construction recovery. Winstar's IPO aims to leverage on these growth drivers by funding new equipment and working capital. And last but not least, China government removal of export tax rebate on the aluminium products with effect from the 1st of December this year would help to level the playing field for Malaysian manufacturers like Winstar Capital, PA Resources, and Press Metal and other aluminium players. On top of that, with Chinese export potentially becoming less competitive, global buyers may turn to alternative suppliers. So this would present our Malaysian extrusion companies known for high quality products to see an increased demand in the international market. Okay, enough with the positive factors. As with any kind of investment, we always need to also consider the potential risk if you were to invest into aluminium extrusion player like Winstar Capital Holding. So on the flip side, the potential risks which I could think of would be, first, ACE market volatility. As Winstar will be listed onto the Bursa Malaysia's ACE market, which is known for higher volatility and speculative nature activities compared to the main market. So this would increase the risk for investors who are looking for steady long-term returns. Second, industry competition. The aluminium extrusion sector is rather competitive, with established players like Press Metal and PA Resources dominating certain segments. So Winstar's ability to scale and maintain competitive pricing will be crucial. Third, the economic and input cost challenges. Fluctuations in the raw material prices, particularly for aluminium billets and broader economic conditions, could impact Winstar profitability post-IPO. So here are some of the clips taken during the press conference and investor Q&A session with the stakeholder of Winstar Capital Holdings Berhad.
Listed on Bursa, one of them is PA Resources, and in fact I've just recently invested into PA Resources stock, so I did go through their P&L and all that. So I discovered that actually PA Resources, not P&L, PA Resources profit after tax, the margin is around 7%, but Winstar profit after tax margin is around 5%. I'm just wondering, since both of you are doing the same, in almost similar business, why is there a difference between 7 and 5?
Because in terms of PA Resources, they have upstream business, which is doing the smeltering. So it makes the difference.
So, in other words, you're saying that upstream profit margin is higher?
Because part of the margin is come from the smeltering, so it's slightly higher. Because when they smelt, they got the margin, then they transfer into the billet. So this part of margin actually we will send out for smeltering and converting into the billet and send back to our factory for manufacturing. So this part of portion, the higher margin is going to the smelters.
Whether will it be positive or whether will there be a growth in...
Based on historical, for last years they have been growing, and I think to the best of their knowledge, most of their products actually goes to the property development and construction industry. So historically, that industry has been, I think, maybe recovering from COVID or growing, but we hope, of course, that it will continue into the future. And in our IMR report in the prospectus, the aluminium extrusion market is expected to grow at about 8% per annum, based on our IMR.
In conclusion, in my personal opinion, Winstar IPO could be attractive if you believe in the growth potentials of Malaysia's aluminium and renewable energy sectors and are comfortable with the inherent risk of investing into smaller, growth-focused companies. However, careful evaluations of the company's financial, future earnings potentials, and industry outlook is essential before making a decision. As always, do remember to do your own due diligence before you make any investment decision. For myself, as a technical analysis stock trader, I do not have the habit of buying into IPO stock in view of the absence of stock chart, which render technical analysis to be impossible. This is the end of my sharing for this episode. If you like the content of this video, do smash onto the like button below to let me know. Bye, and I shall see you again in my next video. Ciao!